The 3DEXPERIENCE Works simulation portfolio provides comprehensive all-physics, all-scale simulation solutions for evaluating how your product will behave in real life. With this portfolio, available on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud, you can get the benefits of early virtual testing to assess product performance and quality with confidence. The included SIMULIA roles will guide your engineering decisions throughout the decision process, all without building expensive prototypes or relying on outsourcing. No matter in which industry you're working in or the size of your company, the 3DEXPERIENCE portfolio can support your digital transformation and help you to bring products to market faster and collaborate more effectively. So let's take a look at how this all works. Our design is coming from Square Robot, an innovative company building systems for submerged oil and gas inspections. Such a system is designed for tough jobs in harsh environments. It has to be safe and reliable. Starting from SOLIDWORKS, you can connect to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform using a unique and integrated workflow that enables you to easily save, manage, and share your design and simulation data in a secure cloud-based environment. Once the SOLIDWORKS data are saved to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, the beauty is that data can be seamlessly consumed by any application. While designing it, the engineers can virtually test the robot based on the severe requirements from the working environment for multiple scenarios. First, let's focus on the structural integrity of the subassembly and perform structural analysis to predict its response and strength against static and dynamic loads on it. You can easily select which components to focus on for the subassembly performance assessment. The built-in assistant walks you through the simulation setup to make it quick and easy, enabling all users to smoothly adopt the solution during their design process. Automatic mesh generation speeds up the setup process with precise representation of the geometry. When needed, powerful manual meshing methods and comprehensive quality checks are available when local mesh modifications are desired. To ensure the fidelity of your simulations, the tools for setting up the boundary conditions like a fixture and loads, along with defining connections, fasteners, and contact conditions, are available for different study types. In a few clicks, multiple bolts can be replicated from a single bolt setup to boost your productivity. Look how easy it is to set up contacts in a single click with a unique general contact capability. Loads, restraints, and fasteners are easily defined on the geometry itself, ensuring full associativity when design changes. And when it's time to solve the study, you can choose to run the analysis locally or on the cloud and take advantage of high-performance computing resources. Whatever your IT infrastructure is, our cloud solution removes hardware barriers, enabling all users to benefit from powerful virtual testing. Once the simulation is complete, you can start reviewing the design behavior and understanding potential critical areas or overdimensioned areas. The deformation of the vessel will be reduced for stronger integrity. Let's see how stiffeners can help towards this goal. You can easily make a design change in SOLIDWORKS, save it, and update simply the simulation models for an efficient what-if scenario. As simple as that, this is a true simulation-driven design experience. This design change definitely improves the stiffness of the cover design. One more step towards reliable design with 3DEXPERIENCE. What about avoiding vibrations and related deformations? 3DEXPERIENCE Works simulation solution offers a scalable simulation environment for all user profiles, from designer up to advanced engineers, and for all simulation scenarios. With the same intuitive user interface, designers can assess the natural frequencies of the light assembly. From these baseline results, designers can easily modify the design and understand the impact of these designs on the KPIs. Improving product performance has never been easier. The beauty of our solution is that the same user experience is offered in a unified multidisciplinary environment, irrespective of physics domains being explored. Another item of interest in the robot is the Propeller Assembly. You can easily set up and perform a fluid flow simulation with the same guided assistant to assess hydrodynamic performance of the robot submerged inside the petroleum storage tank. While external fluid flow studies around the robot will provide forces and moments acting on the surface, one can also gain non-intuitive insights into flow fields around the assembly through high-quality visualizations. You can take this a step further by mapping pressure data obtained from flow analysis onto a structural simulation to identify stability of the design to withstand fluid forces inside storage tanks. 3DEXPERIENCE Works simulation portfolio also offers intuitive and designer-centric plastic injection simulation capabilities. Again, the same guided assistant and workflow with SOLIDWORKS for full associativity offer a digital continuity and a unique virtual testing environment for all users. Assign materials from a library of more than 4,000 plastic grades, specify your manufacturing process, and easily assign injection location points to get the assessment of the plastic injection faster than ever. During the design process, you can evaluate and improve plastic part and mold tooling designs by simulating the filling and packing process and the mold's cooling system. Collaborate with your peers and customers, leveraging simulations results as technical insights for your meetings using the web dashboards. But the robot is nothing without its sensors. After all, the main function of the robot is to inspect the integrity of oil and gas tanks, and it needs a multitude of sensors for that purpose. An electromagnetic antenna sensor can be used to detect small imperfections or irregularities in the tank that are difficult to detect with camera or ultrasound sensors. However, the harsh operating environment of the robot also poses challenges for the antenna design. 3DEXPERIENCE Work Simulation portfolio also offers a solution for the electromagnetic simulation for the antenna design, positioning, and performance evaluation once installed on the robot. You can design the standalone antenna and optimize its performance to the desired functional criteria, taking into account the operating environment and the various electromagnetic material properties of the oil or gas in which it needs to function. Or you can collaborate with colleagues who are antenna design experts and can perform that task and then upload the results for your review to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Once the antenna design is ready, it can easily be integrated to the sensor array of the robot, and its installed performance can be verified. Thanks to the guided workflows and intuitive user interface, setting up the meshing and simulation is available to all users, from designers to simulation experts. The simulation portfolio offers a scalable, connected, and powerful solution for all designers and engineers, so they can assess product performance easier and faster than ever. With structural, fluid flow, plastic injection, and electromagnetic simulations, you are empowered to get the right technical insights you need for a new and innovative product development process. With Dassault Systèmes Solutions, you can streamline your design and simulation process today to produce the products of tomorrow.